Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to hide profile on Happn. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Happn application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Happn if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So at the bottom side of the screen, we have the Explore, as you can see. We have the Hub. We also have the map where you can check out all the maps, the likes, and in the very bottom of the right corner, we have the chat. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and hide profile on Happn. So to hide your profile on Happn, follow these 4 steps. First of all, launch the Happn app on your mobile device. So as I told you in the start of the video, then tap on the settings icon in the app. You can do so by clicking on the top right corner on your profile picture. And after that, clicking on settings, which is in the middle of all of these options. Scroll down until you find the pause my account option and select it. So scroll down, you'll have, of course, one of the options here will be to pause your account. Then confirm the pause to temporarily hide your profile. When you see pause your account, your profile will be invisible to other users and you won't appear in their feed. You can reactivate your account anytime by logging back in simply. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.